Today, I'll be showing you how to change the battery in a Mazda key fob like this. Now, this is specifically for a CX-9, but it should work the same on any modern Mazda fob that looks like this. So we'll start out, there's a little slider tab here in this corner. You're gonna pull that all the way to the edge and kind of push this that way. And the reason why you don't wanna just lift straight up is there's these little tabs right here that slide under these three grooves. So now this is the auxiliary key. If your battery ever dies, you can use this to get into your car. Okay, so now in this corner, there's a little tab. It's a long tab that goes all the way from this side through there that you need to deactivate or unlatch, I guess would be the right term. So you're just gonna, this is just a flathead screwdriver with a little piece of tape wrapped around it. And you're just gonna kind of push back and down on that till you push it through all the way. You can kind of see how it pops out on that side. And then we're just gonna take our tool and gently slide it along there till we pop the whole thing off. So you can see that big tab there. So now you see it says CR2032 there. That's the type of battery that it takes. So we're just gonna take our flathead, pry up on that little cover there. Note there is a rubber seal here, so make sure that stays in place. Okay, so there's our battery. If you look closely, there's a little like positive sign there. So when you reinstall the new battery, make sure that the positive side's up. Just gonna take our flathead, gently pry out there. Now we're gonna get our new battery here, slide it in from this side, press it down, of course positive side up there, and then we're just reinstalling our covers. It literally just kind of presses down on each side. There's these little locking tabs that it has. Make sure it's flush there. On this one, I found that if you kind of snap in this side first, it works better rather than trying to snap in the side that has the long tab. So get that set, and then you can snap that in place. And for this side, you're literally, again, has these little tabs that slide into these grooves. So you're gonna slide it in from that side. And you are done, guys.